Hi, welcome to this training by Tabs and Icon Consulting. My name is Dankaro Izuzu. In this training, I'm going to show you how to prepare Excel data form so that you can use the data form to enter information into your table without manually entering your data straight to the table. Now, we'll also look at how to edit our information using the data form, as well as how to search for specific data using given criteria. Now, let's see what we have here. We have very simple data here: serial number, name, location, employee number, and date of birth. Now, you could have as well had hundreds of columns so that you don't have to start scrolling through. Your Excel data form will solve that. Now, you will not have the Excel data form on your quick access toolbar by default, so you have to enable it. I have already enabled mine, so I have it here. So if I click this, you see that I already have the data form. I just need to fill. Now, if you do it for the first time, you will have to create this to have like a table. So you start your table by saying Ctrl T rather, and your data have a header, so you click OK. Now, I don't like to work with these colors, so you can go back here and take out the colors. So this is how I'm going to work on my table. I'm just going to widen this a little bit. Okay. Now, if you don't have this, because you're not going to have this by default, go to any of the tabs, right click, and then select Customize Ribbon. Now, when you select Customize Ribbon, come here and select Quick Access Toolbar. When you take Quick Access Toolbar, go to All Commands. It's not a popular command, so you go to All Commands. When you go to All Commands, go straight to Forms. Oh, why is it not responding? Sorry. Okay. Go straight to Forms. And when you get to Forms, okay, click on Form here, and then you click Add. You see, I already added mine, so I'm not going to do that again. So you click on Form and you click Add. Immediately it goes to your Quick Access Toolbar, and you can see it right here. So now I already have it here, and I've gotten the first sample of what I'm going to do. So I come here and click my form. Very easy. It comes here. Now it shows I already have one data there. If I scroll down, you see there is no other data. So I have one data there. Now, if I intend to enter another information, I come here and click New. Now I'm going to explain all this. I come here and click New, and it opens up a new sheet. So I'm going to have the second one will be serial number 2. I move down to this place, name. Let me take name like Emmanuel, and then I move down to the next one, location. Let me take location to be Kano. That's the location, Kano. And then I move down to employee number. Let me take employee number to be FAC 2584. And then I get to date of birth. Date of birth, you can take 15/08/1995. Okay, that is date of birth. Now that I have done that, all that you need to do is just to hit your enter key. When I hit my enter key, you see I've already gotten this into this. So it's already prepared for new. So I come here and take new, and I take number 3. I move on. Number 3, let me say Kunle. Okay, and I move to location. Let me take location to be Jos, and then I move on employee number FAC 6595, something like that. Date of birth, let me take another date of birth, 04/05/1996. Okay, now I've completed that. I hit my enter key, and that is number 3. Now let me take another one, number 4. Let me take name Jane. Okay, location, let me take Kano. Then employee number, let me take FAC 6592, and then date of birth 13/09/1978. Okay, now I've completed that. I hit my enter key. Now you see how easy it is to populate my form, just populate my table just using the data form. Now I haven't done this. I can call up any value. Let me go up. This is number 1. and I scroll down, I get number 2, and this all the information, I get number 3. So if I have made an error, let's assume that location for John is not Lagos, but let's say assuming location was Benin. So I come here and I type Benin. I just edit that and I type Benin. Now, having typed Benin, I've not hit my enter key. If I notice that's not where I'm supposed to edit, I can call up the initial data by clicking on restore. Now when I click restore, the initial data comes up. But if I'm editing it, I just take this and I take Benin. Now, if I decide to take out any particular information, let's assume I want to take out this. I come here and I just click on delete. Now when I click on delete, it's going to ask me display record will be permanently deleted. If I take OK, number 3 goes off. So I have 1, 2, and 4. Okay, now that is the delete. Now let's look at the criteria here. Assuming I want to look for any information about any particular stuff I've entered, I would have entered hundreds of information. So I come here and I click criteria. When I click criteria, it goes off here and asks what am I using to search, what are my search criteria. Let me come to location and I say I want to see those from Kano. So I type here Kano. That is my criteria. Now what do? I click on find previous. So I can see that number 2, which is Emmanuel, is from Kano, and then the next thing is find next. I click on next. Number 4 is also from Kano. So I can use this to search for information, as well as to edit information, as well as delete and enter new records. Now, the moment you go out of that table range, you cannot call up that, because when you click there, it's going to tell you this can't be applied because you are not within any particular range. So you have to first of all be within the range and call up your table information, your form. This is how to use the form. Now there are a lot of things that the form can do. This is just preliminary, and at least it helps you to be able to enter data into your table without necessarily having to come to the table to edit. Thank you very much for listening. In other videos, we'll see much more of what Excel can do. Bye-bye.